Do you remember us talking about two ways of chamfer effect creation? We have already discussed the chamfer modifier, and now let's move forward to another one. The next modifier is fillet. It is similar to the previous one since it also creates a chamfer by dividing the object's edges. But the difference is that in the chamfer modifier, one object's edge has been divided into two, cutting the sharp edge of the chamfer. Instead of this tool, the fillet modifier allows you to round off the edges, adding an additional level of the segments. To start working with a fillet tool, first choose the whole object in the workspace. Fillet will be added to all segments of the object, as well as in the chamfer modifier. The fillet can be applied to the object itself, or to certain edges if it is needed. So, after turning on the edge geometry mode, select the needed edges for your further work and apply the modifier to them. Let's look at the settings panel of this modifier now. Preview allows you to display the action of this modifier in the viewport at the same time. The intensity sets the size of the chamfer. Moving the slider or entering a numeric value into the index input field, you can change the chamfer scaling intensity of the modifier action on the selected edges. The level function allows you to make the additional segments level bigger, making the chamfer edges smoother. If you open the Fill Settings tab, you will find three modes of the geometry fill. They work exactly in the same way as in chamfer modifier, but let's have a moment to remind ourselves. The Fill Polygon mode fills the object geometry. If you turn it off, the area of the future chamfer will only be seen. Also, the Fill Edges option allows you to fill the chamfered edges, and Fill Corner is the chamfered angles. And here in Advanced Settings, you may find the possibility to choose the unit of measurement, length, or percentage. By moving the profile offset slider or entering the numeric value in the index input field, you are able to choose how your cut will be positioned: more convex outside or push it inside. As always, you can confirm by pressing OK or reject with the cancel button.